This is a Victorian Rose Garden hot process soap that we made about 10 hours ago. It's a goat's milk soap. And there's the full loaf, how it looks. And we're about to cut this open so you can see it inside. Those are just scrap pieces that we'll leave to the side. And here is the finished work. Victorian roses with dried rose petals on the top and goat's milk soap in the center. This one came out quite speckled right along this region. and that's just the colorant. It didn't catch all when I colored the red, but it's just as good as all the other soap. Now this is actually good to use within 24 hours because we cooked this, but in order for the water to evaporate and for the bar to become nice and hard, we still put it up to cure for about 3 weeks. When we cook the soap, it's used much more quickly compared to the last batch where we didn't cook it, we just laid it and then set it out to dry. That soap takes 6 weeks to cure. But this one, I could actually take my gloves off and handle it, and it wouldn't burn, and it would be perfectly fine. The only thing is if you use it now, it'll just dissolve too fast because it's still nice and soft, so we have to wait for the water to evaporate from it. All right, guys, this was cutting Rose Garden and goat's milk, and I have the recipe for this one posted over at thermalmermaid.com, so if you're interested in learning how to make this, I'm also creating a picture tutorial book to be published on Amazon at the end of the week with this particular recipe in it, and I'll put that up for free for promotion. So if you guys happen to follow Thermal Mermaid on Amazon, in the publications, the full tutorial on making this will be posted for free when it comes out for promotion. So be sure to follow me over there and you can get a copy of that. All right, guys, I'll be back later this afternoon, and I think I'm gonna make some soap dough so that we can do a little bit of sculpting and make some Christmas cupcake soaps in the shape of Rudolph and Santa and some elves. So we'll be back doing that, and I'll catch you guys later. All right, bye-bye.